I hope you're having a great day today. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to use YouTube for videos for your class on Canvas. There's different ways to use YouTube and videos, and I'm just going to kind of walk you through some of the things that I use video for. First of all, you can use videos to connect with the students more by allowing them to see your face and hear your voice. And like we've talked about before, that's really important for online learning, for the students to connect with their teacher. In the announcements, like you guys know, I like to make a video that kind of just explains what we're doing for the week and point out some key things and just to show my face and so you can hear my voice for the week. So this is a great thing to do with your students. When I make videos like that, I use Screen-Cast-O-Matic. There's a free version you can use, and then you can also use Loom, L-O-O-M. That's also free. Or if you didn't need to record your screen like I do here, you could also just record a video from your phone, or if you have a MacBook or an iMac, you could, or other computers, I'm sure, you could record a video using your webcam. You can upload videos directly to Canvas. However, the issue with that is when you have a lot of video content, it can really slow down the time it takes for everything to load on a page in Canvas. And just from research, we found that when it takes longer to load on the page, students are less likely to complete the work on the page. So, if we upload videos to YouTube first, and then we embed them into our Canvas pages or announcements or discussions, then it's acting more like a link, and so the video file isn't stored on Canvas, and so you're not going to have those issues with page load times. It will play automatically. Some people say the issue with YouTube is sometimes videos will pop up that say, you know, watch this, watch that, whatever. Here's the thing. Whatever videos pop up on YouTube are based on what the person viewing has watched on YouTube. So I wouldn't worry about that too much really with YouTube. Let me show you guys first off what you want to do. You want to make sure that you have your video file downloaded, and you can save it wherever you want, but I save them on my desktop before I upload them just so it's really easy to find it, so I don't have to go searching through my files on my computer. So I've got my video here on my desktop, and then the other thing that I have that I think is not necessary, but it's definitely helpful, is to have an image that's a cover photo for your video when you're going to upload it to YouTube. Now I, just from classes I've taken, I've learned how to make cover photos for YouTube, and so I put text on there and I make it fun and whatever. That's not necessary. All that you need to do is just take a picture of yourself. Otherwise, YouTube is going to pick a snippet of your video, and it's usually the ones where like your eyes are closed, or like the one time you happen to make like a really weird face. And so I just think it's better to have a picture to upload with your video. And if you have a webcam built into your computer, all you have to do is open that up and just take a picture. It doesn't have to be fancy, just like take a picture of yourself. If you are experienced with making stuff like this, or it looks fun to you, I use a program called Canva, C-A-N-V-A, just like Canvas, just without the S. and it's a great program. I love it, but definitely not necessary at all. So let's head over to YouTube. In order to upload videos, first of all, you need to have a YouTube account, and that has to be linked with a Google account. So you need to have a Gmail address of some sort. If you don't have one, just make one that's like, you know, Sister John's Seminary at gmail.com. I don't know, just something so you know it's just for seminary. And then once you have your YouTube account, there's a lot of tutorials on YouTube, by YouTube, about how to prep your account so you can upload videos. But once you do that, you just go here to your channel. This is my channel. And once you're here, all you do is click on YouTube Studio. So what I want to do is I want to upload it. So always look for this little up arrow. Click there to upload the video and select files. I just drag and drop. So my video file is right here. So I'm just going to click it and I'm going to drag it over. And it's going to upload the video. This takes a while, so I'm not going to sit here while it uploads. I'll skip on the video. But you do want to give it a title so people know what it is. So mine is a step-by-step Canvas tutorial. And I'm going to put grading and speed grader. What I usually just do is I just like copy and paste it because I'm not going to get fancy. I'm not trying to like make the algorithm work for me because I'm going to link it in my Canvas class, right? I'm not going to make my students go find it. Okay, so if you scroll down a little bit, you'll see this says upload thumbnail. So if you've taken a picture of yourself, this is where you want to upload that picture. Otherwise, the ones that they automatically pick will show up here. And usually, like I said, it's like the most horrible part of the video when your face looks weird. So just do yourself a favor. Take a picture of yourself. I've got my upload thumbnail here. I have my picture saved right here on my desktop. So I'm just going to click it and I'm going to drag it over and I'm just going to put it right there. And so that's what my video will look like when people see it on YouTube, and that's what it will look like when I embed it into Canvas. All right, so I'm going to pause here on the video and wait for this to upload and to process. All right, so it looks like it's finished processing, and you can tell because it says down here. So what you do at this point is you just click next. And I always say, no, it's not made for kids. And then there's more options here, but I never do them because it's not necessary. And I don't worry about this either. That's for like YouTubers, and that's not me. Okay, so there's two options here for publishing them. If you really don't want anybody to see your videos, then just click unlisted. And when you embed it into your announcement or your page in Canvas, they'll be able to see it because anybody with the link can view it. And then you just press publish. Okay, so then this is really simple. This pops up right here and it's ready for me to copy the embed code. Let's go back to Canvas really quick. I've got to open here. Here's our home page. Let's say I wanted to add this to our online teaching resource page. All right, so I've got the page here. I'm just going to click edit. Take these little dots, pull them down so you can see more. Scroll down and decide, put your cursor wherever you want it. So now what you do to embed the video, head back over to YouTube. See right here where it says embed, just click that. and all you have to do is click copy. You don't even have to highlight any of that, just click copy. And head back over to Canvas. And now that you've got your embed code ready, you go up to here, it looks like a little video and music symbol, and you click on that. And even though you're not uploading or recording, hit upload and record media. Okay, so now you're here, and you click embed, put your cursor in the embed code, and all you have to do is paste. You don't even have to do anything after that except hit submit. And then there it is. Be sure, scroll down and hit save. And let's just make sure that it works. This one. It's working. So that is how you upload videos into YouTube and how you embed them into a page in your Canvas class. If you go back to YouTube, all you need to do is close out of this, and then you can head to your channel, and there it will be with your videos. I hope this was helpful to you guys. If you have any other questions about uploading videos, creating videos, how to put them in your class, just send me a message and let me know. And have a great day. See ya.